Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Rezwan.rono. Subscribe me for future tutorials. Today I am going to be showing you how to add fonts to Adobe Photoshop. So let's get straight into the tutorial. Go to Google and write down the font. Press enter. Click the first link. Now what we are going to do is download a font. Click on download to download it. Go down to bottom left corner. Click on show in folder and copy the folder to your desktop. Double click to open zip folder. Then drag and drop it on your desktop for extracting. Now double click to open the font and click on install. Open Photoshop. Find the font you have downloaded. The name of the font was Your Touch. Here it is. So my work is done. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe and make sure to comment down below.